What is up, guys, and welcome to another radio. Today we are doing just 2 packs, but it is pack filled. This one has 27 cards, this one has 25. I'm really looking forward to this one, but we're going to open up the artist pack first. So these have all the packs have the same cards, so there's nothing too new about them. I just wanted to get them open so that way I can get them in my binder, which I can show you guys at the end of the video how my binder's looking. But got like a Volt, and this is completely different from the regular one. So all the cards in this one actually are from different artists, I do believe. Where you at? Yeah. So here's the regular one by, come on, focus, Luan. And then this one is by William Boom. So art style is definitely different. So obviously from the regular set, these are going to be completely different art styles and how they're going to look. And in this video, I'm actually going to try to pronounce the names. So we got the Cracking, which is in a pixelized art style, which is actually a very nice art style. I like the pixel art style. And this is by Elite 4, I do believe. All right. And we got Tacturus. I don't remember seeing this one. No, I do. Okay. But definitely looks monstrous in this art style by Dragoneth. Sorry if I butcher any of the artist's name. Scavagim. Pretty nice. I do like the background being the hollow with all the gems around it. That is a very nice touch by Romo. I ain't gonna try to pronounce the other one or the second part of the name. Then we got Sakurasaurus. There we go. Focus. By Denise. So Sakurasaur. And then we have Hydrak, which reminds me. They do have a Hydrak plush, but it is huge. It is a huge plush. So you're only going to be able to see its little eye, but it is a huge plushie. And this is done by Daniel. Quackle, which kind of a classic Pokemon art style, which I like, by Daniel again. Yep, same person. Sluggle, again, classic Gen 1, Gen 2 art style for Pokemon, by Daniel again. And now we got Necruff by the same person, Daniel Mosby, Daniel Mosby. There we go. And Sproutier, also done by Daniel with the Gen 1, Gen 2 Pokemon art style. Carry On, And this one, ooh, the eyes are actually opaque, so you can see the background, what is it, foil background in its eyes. That's cool. And this one is done by Louis Brain, Louis Brain, Brain. I don't know. Sorry if I butcher people's names. Lycoris, and this is a like dark form, and it is beautiful. I actually like this Lycoris more than the regular Lycoris. And this one is done by Tori Vaughn. Another Quackly, which I kind of like this one, but I like the Gen 1, Gen 2 art style by Daniel Moore. So we got Johnny D. Oliveria. I'm sorry. Mouse. Mostekon. Nope, not gonna be able to pronounce that. But it's not bad. This one is by Yasser. We got Viper or Vipiro. Sorry. Which not too different. I don't think they wanted too much done with the Vipiro. Oh, hold on. This one is by, there we go, Bilsu, I guess. Then we got Exaltier, which is alright. I don't mind it. Not going to try to pronounce this name though, because no, I'm not. Sorlet, which is a cute piggy. Oh, and in the halo you can see its halo. That's cute. That is really cute. And that is, come on, Giovanni. Ooh, getting Pokemon in here for sure. All right, Joltin. Really nice, like dark style Joltin. By, come on, Costa, and then Sonicore, which, to me, there's not too much of a difference between this art style and its main art style. So, I like it, but not too much of a difference. Lugan, I guess. A Zaptor. I like this one. It's more of a realistic style for the body. You can kind of see how it's scale skin type looks more fleshy than its original. I like. Galakia, which just reminds me of Legend of Zelda. What was it? Not A Link to the Past. I don't remember. One of the Zelda games where it was about dreams and the whale was essentially the dream master. Did I? Nope. This one is by Diego Monster. Yep. Cinder. Oof. Getting that evil, devilish vibe from it. By Victor. Don't know how they want that pronounced, but and then we got Demeter by Phoneby Summer. Come on, focus. Phone v Summer, I think. But beautiful art style. And Quillinks by, come on, Emellery. I like it. And then I think, yep, last one. Le Dragon by Daniel again. Nope, different Daniel, but another Daniel. Alright, so that was the artist pack. Not too bad. I think out of the whole thing, I like Hydrake. Alright, yeah. Now on to the Founders pack, which has 27 cards. So we got Pandasine, I do believe. And this one is with the mask on. Somewhere in here, we have the one with the mask off. And then we got Sparkeet. And I do believe a lot of this, if not all of them, are stellar. So really nice that I get guaranteed stellars. Ooh, Viseries. But that is a full art. I gotta figure out all the rarities on these, but this is a full art. And then Pandasine with its mask getting removed. So this was one of the Kickstarter stretch goals, to have it remove its mask, which is honestly a lot cuter without the mask. I love it. All right, back to the Stellars. So we got Stellar Sorlet. And then here's the Stellar Asked Rabbit that I think Asked Rabbit is my favorite card out of all of them, but this Stellar is my absolute favorite. Circle the Sky, which beautiful art. It's actually the second the play mat underneath this, which it was on the first video. I'll put it back for the next video, but got that. War Might, which is a cute, like, green and pink combo, which not a big fan of pink, but it looks really good. Volt Tempest, nice, full art, and just looks really nice. Cracking, just thinking of Pirates of the Caribbean with the Kraken. I think it was the second one where they had no, it was probably the third one. But that's just what it makes me think of with the Cracking. All right, back to the Stellars. We got Riceros. All right. Boom Bat, which I don't know if I have a Boom Bat. I probably do. Dratea. Gladysdale. I'm butchering these names, I'm sorry, but I'm trying. Foemi. Cute monkey face for sure. Tad Puff, which is just adorable, just so adorable, swimming in its little pond. Flurmine, which a new element coming out in the second set is going to be Frost. We can play this, but I'm going to put it in my binder. Kindlio, which is just a dark, really dark fire lion. I like the darker looking characters. Room Rumagem. Pretty sure I pronounced that one right. Virata Aqua, which they just gave it the forget the Pokemon's name. Ignectar. All right, it kind of looks like slime here instead of nectar. So, yeah. Or Scout, which is just a green bear, giving it the Teddy Ursa vibe. Or Smog Blue. Ooh, that's interesting. Or Seer, which back to the Teddy Ursa Ring green vibe. And then Majarsa, which, dang, that full art looks lovely. Just lovely. Hydrake again, but I love this version because you got the dark style. Again, I like the darker feel to characters. And then Chillalata, dang it. Chillalotl, which is just an ice axolotl. And this was a community-made card. Whenever the campaign ended, they did a whole community thing where they were making a special card for the Founders Pack, and they made Chillalotl. All right, now go through my binder real quick. It's set up a little weird. All right, I'm actually gonna take my phone off of my little stand here. Okay, I had to take my phone off to let you guys have a nice view of it. It's gonna be weird. It's gonna be off, but hey, I think this should work. So this is gonna be a little different of a setup, but this is my master binder where I'm gonna try and get the full set, which is gonna be really hard with the stellars and whatnot. I don't think I'm gonna get all the stellars, but I at least want the base set. So we have the stellar spirits that came with the blister packs, and then two of these, this one being metal Penterra, which this comes with every booster box, and this was a special metal card. And then I'm gonna have some blank pages for the packs we just opened, and now we're gonna start with the actual set, which I'm gonna get another Penterra to put right there whenever I open the next box. So just one box and 5 packs, I pretty much got a good portion of the cards. The set is not that big, so it is fairly easy to complete the common and rares for the set. It's whenever you start to get after the common and rares that it becomes a much bigger deal to try and get. And this being the Founders Edition, I'm probably going to have a hard time getting what I need. So I'm going to be looking forward to when the first edition comes out, so that way I can buy that and open more of the packs. And then that's it. And I actually took out the rest of the pages and put them in the other binder. Let me put you guys back up on the stand. All right, back on the stand. What was I saying? I don't remember. But yeah. Oh no, I put the rest of the pages in my second binder because I do like the side-loaded pages. So I just put where I'm putting my duplicate higher rarity cards in. I put the side loader pages in there, so that way both binders have those. And yeah, I'm gonna get these all sleeved up. Hopefully I have enough sleeves. I should have enough sleeves. And I will put them in my binder and probably put an update on Twitter. I don't know if I'm gonna do it on my Twitter page for this channel or if I'm gonna do it on my main Twitter. So we'll see. Whatever I put it on, I'll put a link in the description. So all right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the predetermined packs, but also the the really cool art and just all the things that the community has been able to do with this game as the Kickstarter was going. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a wonderful day or night depending on where you are in the world and when you are watching this. Bye.